Hello friends, today's topic stress test results announced. Some more weakness in markets likely. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. As per the guidelines of AMFI and SEBI, various mutual funds release the results of the stress test on their portfolio today. The objective of the stress test is to make mutual fund investors aware of the risk and impact of the market volatility on the liquidity of their portfolio. Investors who hold mid-cap and small-cap funds usually assume that they can easily redeem their mutual funds. However, due to the illiquidity of many small-cap stocks, mutual fund companies cannot liquidate their holdings quickly, which will result in them finding it difficult to redeem the investment of investors. Here is a result, stress test results of various small-cap funds. Number 1, Nippon Small Cap Fund. Number of days to liquidate 50% holding 27 days. AUM assets under management 46,000 crores. 2. Axis Small Cap Fund 28 days 19,606 crores. DSP Small Cap Fund 32 days 13,703 crores. 4. Quant Small Cap Fund 22 days 17,232 crores. 5. Edelweiss Small Cap Fund 3 days 3199 crores. 6. Aditya Birla Small Cap Fund number of days to liquidate 50% holding 10 days. AUM 5382 crores. 7. Sundaram Small Cap Fund number of days to liquidate 50% holding 5 days. AUM of fund 3056 crores. Motilal Oswal Small Cap Fund 10 days. AUM 8481 crores. 9. SBI Small Cap Fund 60 days 25,534 crores. Tata Small Cap Fund 35 days 6,289 crores. 11. Kotak Small Cap Fund 33 days 14,196 crores. Now going for the stress test results of various mid-cap funds. Nippon India Growth Fund number of days to liquidate 50% of holdings 7 days. AUM of the fund 24,481 crores. Axis Mid Cap Fund 12 days 25,248 crores. DSP Small Cap Fund 32 days 13,703 crores. Quant Mid Cap Fund 6 days 5,443 crores. Edelweiss Mid Cap Fund 2 days 5,066 crores. Now coming to the 6th mutual fund, Aditya Birla Mid Cap Fund, number of days to liquidate 50% of holdings 4 days. AUM of the fund 4,982 crores. 7. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund 3 days 1491 crores. Kotak Emerging Equity Fund 34 days 39,738 crores and Tata Mid Cap Fund 3 days 3,293 crores. These stress tests need to be conducted every 15 days. The results must be published on the AMC website as well as on AMFI's website. As you can see, some funds are in a position to sell their holdings quite quickly, whereas others may take 2 to 4 weeks to liquidate 50% of their portfolio. The reasons for the difference in time required by mutual funds to liquidate their holdings is because some small cap or mid cap funds hold a good percentage of large cap stocks too, and hence those can be sold very quickly, whereas funds which hold high percentage of stocks in mid and small cap category will take more days to liquidate due to the limited volume and liquidity in many stocks. This is one of the main reasons for the weakness in markets today, since many investors may be finally realizing that it could be difficult to liquidate their small cap funds when they need money, and also in the meantime their fund NAV could be falling due to the selling of small cap stocks. So as stock prices fall, more investors including institutional investors sell small cap stocks, and the selling causes further weakness in stock prices, which would lead to more mutual fund investors requesting for redemption, which will make mutual funds to sell stocks further. Already the above situation is happening to some extent. It may become worse if overall markets continue to see more profit booking. So, if you hold mid and small cap mutual funds, be aware of this and be ready to hold longer if required. Also, be ready for a further fall in NAV if there is a further fall in small cap stock prices. Many analysts are warning that the market correction is not yet over and there is chance of Nifty falling closer to 21,000 mark. Markets are also expected to be very volatile in the coming weeks. End of the video, here is a question. Petrol and diesel prices have been cut by rupees 2 per litre last night after many months. Do you think it will help the government in the elections? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this particular channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.